Okay, question 49, solving the equation here now, right? This is a very complicated equation, it looks like, doesn't it? Because you've got fractions here involved with x. But the key to it, right, is to get the bottom numbers the same, okay? Because when you think about it, when you add fractions, or when you take them away, you can't add them, you can't take them away unless the bottom is the same. So let's try and change this now, these fractions. Okay, let's scale them, possibly scale them up, so that the bottom numbers are all the same, right? Now you've got 4 here, 8 here, 2 here. Now, in this case, we need to scale some of these up, don't we? We need to think of a number that 4, 8, and 2 all go into. And if you think about it, they actually all go into 8, don't they? Okay, 2 goes into 8 4 times. 4 goes into 8 twice. Okay, so we change them all so they're out of 8, right? Now, the good thing is, this fraction's already out of 8, so we're happy with that. We can keep that as it is. This one, though, we need to change, right? We need to change to get it out of 8. So, of course, to get that to 8, what have I got to do? Of course, I've got to times it by 2, haven't I? I've got to times it by 2. So I will get, then, 8 on the bottom. But if I times the bottom by 2, I've also got to times the top by 2 as well. Okay, if I times the bottom by 2, I've got to times the top by 2. So I'll get 2 bracket x minus 7. Okay, so times the bottom by 2, got to times the top by 2. This one is already out of 8, so that's sorted. This one is not out of 8, I've got to change this now. You've got to ask yourself, what am I timesing here by 2 by to get this out of 8? What am I timesing 2 by to get that to 8? Well, I've got to times it by 4, haven't I? So if I times it by 4, that will become 8. But if I times the bottom by 2, of course with a fraction I've got to times the top by 2, so I get 4 there. Okay? And what you notice then is all the fractions have got 8 on them. And with this sort of complicated type of question which comes up at the end of the paper, once you've got them all out of the same number, we can cancel those numbers. Okay? That's how it works. So it's nice and simple then. We end up with 2 bracket x minus 7 plus 2x plus 5 equals 4. The bottom numbers are all cancelled out because they're all the same. All I've got to do then is multiply out 2x minus 14, so multiply that bracket out, plus 2x plus 5 equals then to 4. And to finish then, put the x's together, so 2x plus 2x is 4x, minus 14, don't forget here, minus 14 plus 5, so it is a minus 14. If you add 5 to it, you get minus 9, which equals 4. 4x then will equal, take the minus 9 over, so it becomes a plus 9. So that will become 13. And then to get x, you've got to do 13 then, take the 4 over and divide. 13 divided by 4. So I'll get my calculator, and I get, press the SD button, 3.25. And we're done.